वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय।
Is a success. A warm welcome to you all to the annual day celebration of Innovative School of Excellence, Nelmangla. I request all the parents to kindly stand and welcome the dignitaries.
The annual celebration is a milestone that
Today we have with us the respectful, dignified people, our chief guest, Shri K.C. Ramesh sir, President sir, Mr. Murugan Muniratnam sir, Principal ma'am and Board of Trustees. Professor Dr. M.S. Reddy sir, Dr. Rajiv sir, Dr. Vinod sir. Now I request our school head boy Karthik and head girl Shafana Aksa to escort the dignitaries in a traditional way to the dais. Good evening everyone. It's a beautiful evening and we are delighted to have you all here. I am Meghana and with me is Pooja and we will be your host for today's grand annual function. We are here to watch this sparkling night.
Today as we gather here, we celebrate not only the achievements of the year, but to explore our culture, we have a dazzling performances like We Are the World, Venga Boys, Rama Sita, Bajrangi Dance, Tribal Beats, Kantara, State Culture and many more are awaited to entertain you all. So sit back, relax and enjoy the evening.
Innovative School of Excellence, Nelmangla is celebrating the 3rd annual day today, marching towards a extra mile with smile.
Annual Day celebration is considered to be a red letter day for every school to go into the pages of memory. We truly begin this pleasant evening by invoking God's blessing. For this, now I invite students to lead us into graceful prayer dance.
गजाननं भूत गणादि सेवितं कपित्तजम्बू फलसार भक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्
ಮುಗುಳು ನಗುವಲ್ಲೇ ಮನವ ಗೆಲ್ಲೋ ಲೀಲೆ ಮೊಗವೇ ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ಚಂದ್ರ ಚೆಲುವೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಸಾಟಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ದೀಪ್ತಾನ ದೀಪ್ತಾನ ಶುಭ ಕರೀ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಧ್ಯಾನವೇ ದಿನಚರಿ ನಿಂಗಿದೋ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಶಾರ್ವರಿ ಸಂಜೆ ನಾಟ್ಯ ಸಂಗೀತ ರವಿಚಂದಿರ ಗಗನ ಭುವನ ಕಾನನ ಜಗವೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಬನಾ ಪಾರ ತಾರೆಯ ಓಲೆಯು ಮಾಲೆಯು ನಿನ್ನಯ ಆಭರಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲೂ ಒಲವ ಬಯಸೋ ಹೃದಯ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಸಮ್ಮಾನವು ಸಕಲ ಜನಕ್ಕೂ ಸಿಗಲಿ ಎಂದೆಂದು ಆ ಬಯಲು ಆ ಗಗನ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಬನ ಪಾರ ತಾರೆಯ ಓಲೆಯು ಮಾಲೆಯು ನಿನಗವು ಆಭರಣ
Thank you, friends. You have added the auspicious gloom of a spiritual growth for a program. Welcome is a beautiful tradition that spreads fragrance of smile and elegance. May I now request Krupa ma'am to graciously welcome the dignitaries who have gathered here.
Good evening, everyone. Esteemed Chief Guest, President Sir, Principal Ma'am, dignitaries, parents, teachers, and students. It's an absolute blessing to welcome you all to our annual day celebration. Our students and teachers have worked untiringly to prepare for tonight's performance and are excited to showcase their talents. Before we begin, I would like to extend a special welcome to our respected chief guest and our special guests. Our chief guest, Shri K.C. Ramesh sir, the BO officer, due to unavoidable circumstances, he couldn't able to attend today's evening. However, his support and guidance will be always there with us. Next, I would like to invite our next guest, Professor Dr. M.S. Reddy sir. Professor Dr. M.S. Reddy sir is working as National Academic Director of Vidyashri, the Foundation for Excellence, which is a unit of Vidyashri Learning Solutions Private Limited. He has done MSc Zoology, specialized in genetics, and PhD degree in apiculture. Dr. Reddy sir has about 40 years teaching, research, and academic administration, and he has formerly chairman Department of Zoology and Genetics and registrar. Sir worked as national beekeeping expert in FAO, that is in United Nations Apiculture Development Project of Government of Karnataka. Sir has published and presented over 220 papers in national and international peer-reviewed journals and conference. We welcome you, sir, for the function. Invite our next guest, that is Dr. Rajiv sir. Dr. Rajiv is the founder and chief executive officer of Vidyashri Foundation of Excellence, which is a unit of Vidyashri Learning Solutions Private Limited. Sir has done MSc and PhD integrated program in genetics engineering from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Institute of Biomedical Science, New Delhi. Dr. Rajiv sir has over 30 years teaching, research, and academic administration experience, and he has formerly Vice President of Akash for over 10 years and Director of Narayana Group of Institutions for 10 years. Sir has instrumental in producing more than 15,000 students who have got seats in medical, IITs, and technical institutions in India. We welcome you for the program, sir.
The lamp symbolizes knowledge, enlightenment, and dispelling of darkness. It marks the promising start of an event. To perform this sacred ritual, now I invite our esteemed chief guest and dignitaries to step forward to lighting the lamp on the stage. Now I request Suma ma'am and Mahananda ma'am to lead the dignitaries to lighting the lamp.
कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म
दीपज्योति जनार्दनः दीपज्योति परब्रह्म दीपज्योति जनार्दनः
दीपो हरतु मे पापम्
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म
दीपज्योति जनार्दनः दीपज्योति परब्रह्म दीपज्योति जनार्दनः
दीपो हरतु मे पापम्
We would like to invite our guests, Dr. Srimant and his family, Mr. Shivashankaraya and Dr. Sushma to this evening. Please welcome. We all welcome you.
Excel and made us proud. We shall now felicitate the students for their excellence in sports for the year 2024 and 25.
May I now invite Simran ma'am to read the achiever's name.
Good evening, one and all. Winning is not just about reaching the finishing line. It's about the journey that gets you there. Today I am here to announce the achievements of the talented athletes and throwball team who have made us proud at the Hubli, Taluk, district levels. Now I kindly request our Board of Trustees, Kempegowda sir, to come and award the winners. Let's start with the Taluk level 4x400 race. The winners are Rahman, Muhammad Umar, Nikit S, Aminati, Tillu, Miss K.
carpet and celebrate the academic superstars of our school. Grade 10 toppers from last year 2023 and 24. Now I would like to request to our President Sir, Mr. Murugan Sir, to come on stage to felicitate the toppers. We request our Principal Ms. Jacinta Ma'am to join the celebration. We are delighted to announce the academic toppers of grade 10 for the year 2023-24 goes to the first topper Shweta. The parents of Shweta are requested to come on the stage. Now I would like to call Board of Trustees on the stage. Now I would like to call Dr. Rajesh sir and Dr. Reddy sir.
testament to collective efforts of our school community, and we are delighted to present it to you today. Now I request
our teachers Jyoti ma'am and Krupa ma'am to present the annual report of academic year 2024 and 25.
Good evening, everyone. I, Jyoti, with me, Miss Krupa. We are going to present the school annual report 2024-25. The distinguished chief guest BO sir, privileged President Sir Murugan Muniratnam, Principal Ma'am Miss Jacinta, Joint Secretary Madam Ramya, Board of Trustees, Dr. M.S. Reddy sir, Dr. Rajiv sir, and Dr. Shriman sir. Dedicated teaching and parents, invitees, student council members, non-teaching staff, and my dear students. I deemed it as my privilege and pleasure to present the year-long initiatives, undertakings, and accomplishments of the academic year 2023-24 of Innovative School of Excellence, Inspiring Young Minds. Down the memory lane, the history, the vision, the mission, and the Odyssey of Sunrise School marks the historical date 11th March 2022. Mr. Murugan Muniratnam sir takes upon the cradle of education towards making the school as Innovative School of Excellence. 2022-23, the journey begins with the dynamic team of educators. Ms. Jacinta led the team as the principal and the academic head, continued the journey of 2023-24. The two batches of grade 10th had 99% of result. Innovative School of Excellence imparts education to all the students without distinction of caste, creed, or religion. We aim at the holistic development of the children with the motto of knowledge, compassion, and service. That is inspiring young minds. Innovative School of Family comprised of 20 well-proficient, experienced, and dedicated teaching staff and 4 non-teaching staff with 210 students. Academics. The excellence of academics has been proven by the students every year by giving best result in grade 10 from the year 2022-25. 10 students have scored distinction and the rest passed with the first and second class in the SSLC examination. Student Council Election. The school council election for the post of school pupil leader and assistant school pupil leader using manual voting was held on July 16, 2024. Master Karthik of grade 10th was elected as the head boy and Kumari Safana Aksa of grade 10th elected as the head girl. The investiture ceremony was organized by Joint Secretary Ramya Madam and Academic Head on 9th August 2024. School houses. School houses play a significant role in fostering sense of community, teamwork, and school spirit among the students. The students were divided into 4 different colors, namely red house has in red roses, green house has in chrysanthemum, orange house has in magnolia, and yellow house has in sunflower. Each house functions under the management of the house captain and under the guidance of responsible teachers.
Co-curricular activities. Students actively participated in different co-curricular activities deliberated and executed by teachers. To enhance skills and talents and to develop competitive spirits, the students are encouraged for group activities based on 4 school houses. Healthy competitions motivate students and raise them to put forth their best effort. Sparkling interest and passion ignites the fire within. Celebrations. Celebrations are the most looked forward at a time of enjoyment and enthusiasm. The school celebrates the calendar of events, national, international, local, and traditional. In the vibrant world of pre-primary section, the celebration of color concept day such as Green Day, Blue Day, Pink Day, Red Day was held during this year. The Color Day concept creates awareness on different colors and develops psychomotor and cognitive skills in the little kids. Sports and games. To bring out the students' potential, to exhibit the talents, and to reinforce the idea that effort and participation are valuable, the school held various sports and games competitions from Montessori to grade 10. Our IST students were the winners of Under 14 Boys Throwball competition held at Hobli, Taluk, and district level and division level this year. We have organized various inter-house competitions like kabaddi, volleyball, cricket, and throwball. Students have actively participated and showed their hidden talents. I take this opportunity to extend my deepest sense of appreciation and gratitude to President Sir, Principal Ma'am, Board of Trustees, teachers, dignitaries, and parents for unflinching support and playing a key role in strengthening the institution. The annual report is not just a reflection of our past achievements, but also a roadmap for our future growth and development. Let us use this momentum to propel us forward and achieve even greater heights. Further, I wholeheartedly thank the members of faculty who felicitate and fulfill the academic dreams of the learners and supportive staff for their relentless and untiring service to take our institution to reach the pinnacle of glory. Thank you one and all for all your serene listening the annual report of our school. Thank you.
Thank you.
Become special with the presence of esteemed guests. Today, we are privileged to have Dr. Reddy Sir as our chief guest. Now, I request Dr. Reddy Sir to share their valuable words.
Good evening to all of you. Respected Murugan, the chairman of this Innovative School of Excellence, the members of the Board of Trustees, Dr. Rajiv, the founder and chief executive officer of the Vidyashree Foundation of Excellence, which is a unit of Vidyashree Learning Solutions Private Limited, Shri Sanjay Shukla ji, Director Operations, parents, and all the students, press and electronic media. I'm extremely happy to be here in this evening. Though I used to address students of graduation, students of post-graduation, students of doctorate degrees, all through my 36 years of service. And this is my 7th or 8th occasion where I'm addressing all these young students from 1st standard to 10th standard. So I'm happy to be here this evening. To say in one line, this is a great institution, started by maybe about 40 years back. While coming here, I just had a discussion with the chairman. How many students are here? He said around 200 plus. What are the facility for how many students facilities here? More than 1,000. I think the momentum has started. So next year onwards, there would be a large number of students will come here and seek admission to this great institution. So why I am telling this is, we as a Vidyashree Foundation of Excellence, we have a network throughout the country, and we have excellent faculty members teaching various subjects starting from 6th standard to post-graduation, including the UPSC, Karnataka Public Service Commission, or National Defense Academy, CLAT exams, so on and so forth. I will not take much of your time. This is the evening. I think you are all come here to enjoy some of the activities would be performed by all these young students. I was very happy to see the welcome thing done by these young students. And I, as a National Academic Director of Vidyashree Institution, why Vidyashree has come forward? to this campus, to Nelmangla, is we have programs starting from 6th standard to 10th standard, a foundation program, and for the PU, first PU and second PU, integrated program, and for the degree, so we have a lot of programs, innovative programs, so and all these programs we have from up to post-graduation and Union Public Service Commissions. And why, what way we are, you think you might have listened to Akash, you might have listened to other organizations where they conduct tuitions, classes, so on and so forth. What way we are different as a Vidyashri Foundation is the classes that we conduct starting from 6th standard to 10th standard. We have only 10th standard year now. I think they have already applied for a pre-university college. Shortly they will get the permission also. So once this permission is given, I think the Vidyashri as a knowledge partner will take up all the activities in the parents. You want me to speak in Kannada or you want to speak, is it okay in English? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 36 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕನಾಗಿ, ಸಹ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕನಾಗಿ, ಅದೇ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಕುಲಸಚಿವ ಮೌಲ್ಯಮಾಪನರಾಗಿ, ಕುಲಸಚಿವ ಆಡಳಿತ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಉತ್ತರ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ, ಮೊನ್ನೆ ತನಕ ಮಹಾರಾಣಿ ಕ್ಲಸ್ಟರ್ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷಾಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕುಲಪತಿಯ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದಿಷ್ಟೇ, ಈ 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಿಂದ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಾವು ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಈ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಯಾಡ್, ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಯಾಡ್, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ NTSC ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್, KVPYP, ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ of these examinations, the NEET exam, all these examination, for 20 to 30% from 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 20% ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂಥವರು ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇರಲಿ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಬಯಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ನನಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬಳು ಮಗಳು, ಅವಳೀಗ MD ಪೀಡಿಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಕೋಲಾರ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವಳು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 200 questions she could write only 122 questions. Remaining she could not answer because all this time management, how to answer the question, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾಶ್ರೀ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಈ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ 4 ಉತ್ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ABCD ಅಂತ 200 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಈ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ 200 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೂಡ ಉತ್ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಥವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಈಗ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 5ರಿಂದ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರದೇ ಇರೋ ಉತ್ತರ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಯು ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿತಿನ್ 10 to 15 seconds. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ 4 ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೂ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಉತ್ತರ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅದೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟೇ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವರು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬೆಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಯಿತಾ, ಅಂತೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ದೇ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ, ಆಯಿತಾ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಬರೀತಾರೋ ಅವರು 100ಕ್ಕೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್, ಈಗ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಇದು ಸುಮಾರು 89% ಏನೋ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಗು. ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಶ್ರೀ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಎಬೋವ್ 90, 95, ಕೆಲವು ಮಕ್ಕಳು 100ಕ್ಕೆ 100 ತೆಗಿಬೋದು. ಈಗ ನಾನು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಸವನಗುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿರೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಅಂಕ ಯಾರು ತೆಗಿತಾರೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿಗೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ನಾನು ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಆಯಿತಾ. ಆ ವರ್ಷ ಸುಮಾರು ನಾನು PUC ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸುಮಾರು 130 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸು, ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಥಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್, ಬಯಾಲಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 100ಕ್ಕೆ 100. ಆ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರು, ದುಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 35-40 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ. ಈಗ ಆ ಥರ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬರೋರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೇನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋರು ಏನಾದಿದ್ದರೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನನಗೆ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಕರೆದು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಮುರುಗನ್ರವರಿಗೆ, ಅವರ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಂದಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಪೋಷಕರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಸದ ತುಂಡುಗಳನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸೆಯಬಾರದು. ನಿಗದಿಪಡಿಸಿರುವ ಕಸದ ಬುಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಭಾರತ. ಕಸದ ನಿರ್ಮೂಲನೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಹೊಣೆ.
ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಪೋಷಕರೇ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಅಡೆತಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ. ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನದ ನಡುವೆ ನಿಂತುಕೊಂಡು ಛಾಯಾಚಿತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನದ ಫೋಟೋಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ನಿಮಗಾಗಿ ಜೋಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ನಂತರದ ದಿನಾಂಕದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವರಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇವೆಂಟನ್ನು ಆನಂದಿಸಿ.
Innovative School of Excellence serves as a guiding principle, inspiring our students to strive for excellence, cultivate a love for learning, and develop into compassionate and responsible individuals.
Now, I would like to present a short video on the activities of our school year 2024-25.
Thank you, Anita ma'am, for the PPT presentation.
As we begin this joyous celebration, let us take a moment to acknowledge and thank all those who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make this day a memorable one. Now, I would like to call Vidya from grade 10 to extend vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. Respected dignitaries, dear teachers, students, and my dear parents. It is a privilege to extend a warm note of thanks to each and everyone who has made our annual day program a resounding success. We are grateful for the presence of our chief guest, Sri K.C. Ramesh sir, who has graciously spared their valuable time to be with us today. We are deeply privileged to have the opportunity to express our gratitude and admiration to President sir for your tireless efforts in leading our institution. Your dedication to the welfare and prosperity of our school is truly inspiring. Thank you, sir. We would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to our principal ma'am for her guidance, support, which has inspired us to strive for excellence. Thank you, ma'am. Respected members of the Board of Trustees, we are deeply grateful for your unwavering support and guidance throughout the year. Thank you all. A huge thank you to our amazing teachers for making our annual day program so special. We are so grateful to have you as our teachers. Thanks for helping our students shine on stage. You are the best. Thank you, teachers. Thanks to the choreographer, Master Firoz, and his team, who has helped the students to prepare for the performance this evening. Thank you, masters. A special and honest thanks to all the arrangers, event coordinators for creating an amazing stage setup, lightings, sounds, chairs and decorations, videographer, photographer and catering department. Thank you all very much. A huge thanks to our parents for the active participation and involvement in our annual day program. We appreciate the trust and confidence you have placed in us. We are very grateful to you. Thank you, parents. Special thanks to our students for their outstanding performance and active participation in our annual day program. Thank you, students. Last but not the least, we extend our sincere gratitude to our drivers and non-teaching staffs for the tireless efforts and hard work and ensuring the success for annual day program. Thank you one and all. Continue to enjoy the evening.
The wait is over, the stage is set, and the curtains are about to rise. Get ready to be mesmerized by the talented students of ISC as we present to you a spectacular evening of music, dance, and drama.
Get ready to be transported to different parts of the world where diverse rhythms and moments come alive. This dance is a celebration of our unity in diversity, reminding us that no matter where we come from, we are all connected. Now, I would like to call grade 10 girls to grace the evening by their performance.
रब से दुआ मांगे, जीवन में सुकून चाहे, चाहत में वफा मांगे, हालात बदलने अब देर न हो मालिक, जो देख चुके फिर अंधेर न हो मालिक।
think about the generations and to say we want to make it a better place for our children and our children's children, so that they know it's a better world for them and think if they can make it a better place.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place is much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me.
There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving.
There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives.
It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
For your inspiring performance.
Fatima will take over with the anchoring. Good evening everyone for the Cultural Odyssey Kalotsava 2024-25. Now it's time to welcome our youngest stars to the stage. Our Montessori and LKG kids are all set to dazzle you with adorable energy and innocent charm. Get ready to smile, clap and be mesmerized by their cuteness.
Chakaloram gando wando lakarakatam akko takko idigidi idigo idipai idipai chiki chakacho gili gili mal sulu sulu mal makaraka hukubukure tukubukure chakalaka bikko chikko sili 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 go bagradum chiki chakacho.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोल रे। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं, ऐसे भी सोचो ना। सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए। हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले।
फुल आंखें बंद तो डब्बा गुल। ओए बंद दरवाजे खोल रे, हो जा बिंदास बोल रे। मैं भी हूँ तू भी है, ओ मैं भी तू भी, हम सब मिलके बम चिक बम 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 बम।
ऐसी रंगों भरी अपनी दुनिया है क्यों, सोचो तो सोचो ना। प्यार से चुन के इन रंगों को किसी ने सजाया। ये संसार है जो इतनी सुंदर है अपनी दुनिया। ऊपर वाला क्या कोई कलाकार है। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे।
Thank you, little angels, for stealing our heart from your performance.
ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಪೋಷಕರೇ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಅಡೆತಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ. ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನದ ನಡುವೆ ನಿಂತುಕೊಂಡು ಛಾಯಾಚಿತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನದ ಫೋಟೋಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮಗಾಗಿ ಜೋಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ನಂತರದ ದಿನಾಂಕದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವರಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮತ್ತು ಈವೆಂಟನ್ನು ಆನಂದಿಸಿರಿ.
Get ready to shine bright like the stars in the night sky. Our dancers from grade 1 and 3 are about to take you on a celestial journey, moving to the rhythm of the hit song A Sky Full of Stars and Galti Se Mistake.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. I don't care who wanna tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक, लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक। हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख। यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा। चल मसल फुलाना, थोड़ी बॉडी बनाना, तेरे चिकने गालों पे स्टबल की फसल उगाना। अरे रे रे अबे चल बेटा शुरू हो जा गुरु, बगल उठा के थोड़ा डियो लगाना, किसी बगल वाली को मर्दानी खुशबू सुंघाना। चल ऊपर के दो बटन ढीले करके बताना, बालों वाला सीना दिखाना, बालों वाला सीना दिखाना। बरसों तलक तू साइकिल पे घूमा है, हाईवे पे मोटर साइकिल भगा के देख। स्पीड में तुझको अगर सर्दी लगे तो सीट पे पीछे लड़की बिठा के देख। यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा।
कामाक्षि शंकर कामकोटि शंकर
It is our pleasure to invite our esteemed Secretary, Madam Ramya, to share her thoughts with us.